Adding protein to your diet can aid in weight loss through several mechanisms. First, increased satiety. Satiety is the sensation of feeling full and satisfied after eating, which plays a crucial role in regulating food intake and managing appetite. When you are satiated, you're less likely to feel hungry and continue aiding in calorie control and weight management. Certain foods are particularly effective at promoting satiety, such as protein-rich foods. Now, protein is known to increase feeling of fullness and reduce hunger, making it an essential component of weight loss diets. Compared to carbohydrates or fats, protein is especially satiating. For example, consider a typical breakfast containing refined carbohydrates like juice, toast with butter, and fruits. Despite consuming sufficient calories, you may feel hungry or experience cravings shortly after eating. In contrast, imagine having eggs cooked in ghee or coconut oil with avocado on the side. Combining healthy fats with protein in a meal can further enhance satiety. This combination slows down gastric emptying, providing sustained energy for extended periods, thereby supporting weight management efforts. Continuing on the same point, this does not mean that a high carbohydrate meal is bad for you. You need to be smart about it when it comes to selecting the right carbohydrate food. For example, I prefer consuming oats for breakfast. There are many types of oats in the market based on the level of processing, from instant oats to rolled oats to the less processed versions like steel cut oats or oat groats. I consume steel cut oats or oats groats along with walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. I also add a scoop of whey protein into the mix. So my oatmeal has a perfect combination of all three macronutrients and satisfy close to 50% of my daily micronutrient requirements. Compare this with a serving of instant oats made with milk. So to clarify again, a high carbohydrate diet is not necessarily bad for you. You simply need to be smart about it. Second, thermic effect of food, abbreviated as TEF. Now, protein has a high thermic effect of food due to the energy expenditure required for its digestion, absorption, and metabolism. When you consume protein, your body needs to work harder to break it down into its constituent amino acids and then utilize those amino acids for various bodily processes. This process requires energy, which results in a greater caloric expenditure compared to the digestion of carbohydrates or fat. The TEF for protein is estimated to be around 20 to 30% of the calories consumed. So for example, if you consume 200 calories from protein, this means that approximately 40 to 60 calories from the protein portion of the meal will be expended solely during the digestion process. This can contribute to increased energy expenditure and weight loss over time. By the way, TEF for carbs and fats is estimated to be around 5 to 10% and 0 to 3% respectively. And third, muscle preservation. During weight loss, there is a risk of losing lean muscle mass along with fat. Adequate protein intake helps preserve muscle mass, which is important for maintaining metabolic rate and overall body composition. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it requires energy or calories to sustain itself. Therefore, individuals with a high proportion of muscle mass have a higher basal metabolic rate, that is BMR, which is the number of calories your body needs at rest to maintain vital functions. So by increasing muscle mass, you effectively increase your BMR, allowing you to burn more calories even when you are not actively exercising. Building muscle can also improve insulin sensitivity, which is the body's ability to effectively utilize glucose from carbohydrates for energy. Improved insulin sensitivity helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the likelihood of excess glucose being stored as fat. So overall, incorporating protein in your meals and snacks can help support weight loss by promoting satiety, increasing caloric expenditure, and preserving lean muscle mass, regulating blood sugar levels, and boosting metabolism. So currently the RDA, which stands for Recommended Daily Allowance, suggests an average daily protein intake of 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. Now, this recommended intake is not enough for people who are active and indulge in exercises. Numerous studies indicate that protein intake requirements for active individuals are approximately double that of the RDA, at least 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Now, this range is recommended by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, the American College of Sports Medicine. The International Society of Sports Nutrition also recommends a very similar range, that is between 1.4 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. So there you have it, guys. 3 ways in which adding protein to your diet can accelerate your weight loss goals. If you found this video insightful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more educational content like this. Thanks for watching.